Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome and thank you for joining my beautiful family. If you are a returning supporter, a regular at day one, welcome back once again, my love, and thank you so much for your love and support. And if you are new, if you just came across this video, please make sure you click the subscribe button because everything is scrumptious on this side. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a self-care unboxing. This is a package that was sent to me by Unilever literally I think 2 years ago. But I never got to unboxing it because we were supposed to do a campaign and I don't know what happened along the way, but we didn't end up proceeding with the campaign. But anyways, I do appreciate the lovely gift. It is extremely thoughtful. And at the time, I think it was COVID, so they were really just trying to encourage different content creators to sort of look after themselves at home and yeah, try get your mental health in a better place through some self-care. So I'm gonna read the card. Beauty at home. Dear Mihlali, summertime is the best time to feel good again. The world as we know it has changed, but summer is almost here and we are all about embracing your beauty. So take the time to enjoy our holistic beauty regime. Let your hair down and soak up the sun even from home with our specially curated pamper gift. Monday Motivation will have you rolling out your exercise mat as you kickstart your morning with Shield, while empowering yourself with Wellness Wednesday affirmations from Dove and Lifebuoy. For Fashion Friday with Dove, you'll be styling up your casual Friday and strutting your best looks, whether entertaining at home or out on the town. With Organics Tresemme and Dove, Wash Day Saturday will put your hair care needs first as you celebrate your tresses. Wrap up your week with a luxurious self-care Sunday soak, lathering up with Lux, nourishing your skin with Vaseline, and pampering yourself with some essentials from Pond's. It's time to feel good again with beauty at home with you this summer. With love and care, the Unilever Beauty and Personal Care family. Thank you so much, guys. This is the lovely card. So let's get started. So first things first, we have Motivation Monday. So I just had to move the boxes away because I was struggling with the focus. So Motivational Monday is a box from Shield. Thank you so much to Shield. And in the box we have, oh cute, this is like a yoga mat but in the form of a towel. It smells so good. It has little plasticky things at the back so that you don't slip while you're working out, and it is branded, of course. Shield, move your way. I love the color. It's such a beautiful purple. And then there are also some hip resistant bands. I've got a mint green one, purple as well as pink, and they come in different sizes, so obviously you start somewhere and then you build strength. Ooh. Got 2 deodorants, Dry Confidence and Fresh Musk from Shield, as well as Ultra Fresh Stronger Deodorant. This is an antiperspirant and it's 3 times stronger and it's said to last 96 hours. Lovely. And yeah, it's just like a little care manual for the resistance band and how to use them. So that is it for box number 1. Thank you very much to Shield. Moving on to Wellness Wednesday. I love the color. Absolutely beautiful. And this is from Dove and Lifebuoy. So this is what you see when you open up the box. Beautiful. It smells clean. First and foremost, we have this Dove Sensitive Skin Soothing Care Moisturizer or Moisturizing Shower Gel. And a bar of Lifebuoy soap. Pretty. I absolutely love this candle. Oh, she thick. It's so cute. I love these. And then I also got another bar of soap, and this one is for even tone. I had no idea Lifebuoy has even toning soap. That's quite cool. It has activated charcoal and mint. I'm keen to try this. And I also got a bar of soap for sensitive skin. It also has moisturizing milk from Dove. Dove soap is said to be very, very good for your face if you have sensitive skin. And then I got a box of I Am Daily Affirmations to encourage self-love, gratitude, and wellness cards. That is so cute. I actually want to open up and read one of them. Get somebody else to do it. Guys having nails, hey? Just get my scissors. If you're interested in getting these cards, they are from Satya Yoga Wellness on Instagram. Thank you. Alright, let's see. So the first card says, hello, these affirmation cards were created especially for you by us. We hope that they invite a sense of calm and self-belief in your life. May you shine your light brightly. Much love, Ashni and Prina. Kids and teens yoga available. So they also have those for kids and teens. Ooh. Hold on. Okay, so this is like all about the origin of the business. What are affirmations? Affirmations are positive statements that are written in the present tense. Repeatedly reading these statements out loud with intention assists in encouraging a positive mindset and self-esteem. You need to repeat them wholeheartedly with intention and with positive emotion. Believe in them. How to use your affirmation cards. Choose a card, read it out to yourself a few times, repeat it wholeheartedly. Visualize what you are saying as you close your eyes and truly believe in the words. Try to start each day with an affirmation and repeat it a few times throughout your day. This is beautiful. Oh, I love these. Okay. They all start with I am, by the looks of things, of course. I am free from my own limiting beliefs. I love this. I'm also going to read another one. I am happy with my body. I will not obsess over it. These are so wholesome. I am exactly the way I'm supposed to be. My body is a gift. I love these. Thank you so, so much to Dove. I've never ever had a box of affirmation cards, but I do sometimes read affirmations online. Alrighty, let me put these back in the box. Next box, we have Fashion Friday. Let's see what's in here. Ooh, okay, this is from Dove. There is these even tone deodorant and body spray. It's an antiperspirant. And then I've got something green. Let's see, this is from the brand called Mellow. It's sleepwear. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I'm obsessed. I love a nightie. I love it. It's so cute. And also this fabric for summer. Perfect. Thank you so much. This is so, so cute. I didn't even know this brand. I love it. Thank you so much. This is a good idea. I love how I'm closing them. Alrighty. Box number 4. This is a heavy one. This is wash day Saturday. Hair care products. Guys, do you know what? Let me tell you something, right? I was once a face of this brand or an ambassador. We literally did like a whole campaign shoot. The images were launched like in an art gallery. So it's so cool to receive this and see this. This was when I had my afro, back in my afro days. It's the Botanique Moisture and Replenishing range from Tresemme. Great for natural hair as well as washing your wigs. That's a shampoo and conditioner. And then, oh, I love this range, Keratin Smooth. It's so nice for your wigs. It has a lot of benefits. It lasts up to 72 hours of frizz control, silky shine, perfectly detangles, soft feel, tames flyaways. And you know wigs always gives us problems with flyaways. And then I also got hair shampoo. I also got more hair products from Dove. This is the intensive repair range for damaged hair. It smartly targets and repairs damage for beautiful hair. This box smells so good. And then I got these cute, oh, these hair ties are so cute. These are from Nura online. Beautiful silky hair ties. Great for if you don't want to damage your hair. These are so pretty even. And then I got these personalized pillowcases. Is this one personalized? No, this one isn't. But they're the same, they're silk pillowcases. This one is personalized. How cute! Oh my god. I can't believe I didn't open this for 2 years. It is so cute. Silk pillowcases are great for hair, and I think they're also quite good for your skin last time I checked. But yeah, it smells so good. I love them. Thank you so much. Alrighty, let's move along. So this is the last box. And this is Self-Care Sunday. Love me a good Self-Care Sunday. Love the packaging as well, the color. And let's see what is in Yiso. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, so let me start off with the face care stuff. So Pond's included their Flawless Radiance Mattifying Day Cream. Oh, 2 of them. Thank you. This is great to use as a makeup primer, by the way. If anyone has tried that, leave a comment down below. If you haven't, please do try it. And they also gave me their Even Tone Facial Foam for glowing even tone skin. I love a Pond's wash. I'm a huge fan of the one that's for clearing acne. Got a Luxe bar of soap for smooth fragrant skin. Believe in Luxe shower gels. This is the Floral Beauty Oil Soft Caress Jasmine and Silk Essence Oil Moisturizing Body Wash. I'm so happy about this because I'm always buying Luxe washes. I love them so much. I also, oh, they gave me 2. Love them loads. Thank you. Okay, let's see what else is in here. What is this? Okay, so apparently this is like a mushroom head, and it's like a stone that you should use when applying essential oils and massage. Use it to massage all over your face and your neck. Apparently you will see some great results after a few days of consistent use. I've never ever tried this, and I'm keen to try it. I obviously can't do it on my face right now because I'm wearing makeup, but it feels really good and cold in this heat. Oh, the stone was in this box. It's called the Guasha Mushroom Stone. Alright. Next product we got is from Forever, and this is a facial cleansing device. Love these devices. I used to have a purple one that I lost, so I'm really happy about this. Just gonna show you guys how it looks. It always has a harder texture side for more intense exfoliation, and then there's always a softer side for gentle exfoliation, depending on how sensitive your skin is. I hope it comes with batteries. Oh yes, and it vibrates. If you can hear that. Yeah, love it. Thank you so much. Oh, and you can also adjust the intensity, like how hard it vibrates. That's so dope. And then body care, I got Vaseline moisturizer. Snee also gave me these in one of her packages from her launch. So yeah, absolutely love. Nourishing argan oil. This one is a body lotion, and I think this one is a body butter, body cream. But they both are for dry skin, and they help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. You can get up to 72 hours of moisturization. These products contain nourishing argan oil with Moroccan argan oil and Vaseline jelly, so they're very good for moisturizing. Ooh, last but not least, I got a book by Rupi Kaur. Is that how I say it? Oh wow, this is a signed copy. That is so dope. And the book is called Homebody. I have never ever read this, but I've seen, oh my gosh, I always see people posting these quotes on social media. This author's quotes. Alright. Seems like a very wholesome read, perfect for a Sunday. It smells good too. So yeah, that is it guys for my self-care unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much to the Unilever family for all the spoils and all the brands that threw in something. I really do appreciate it. And let me know how you guys feel about this video down below. Leave a comment, do engage, and share the video, like the video. Thank you for watching once again, my loves. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.